Hi guys, this is Chef Saransh and this is his whiskey. 12 years old, beautiful. And I like it on the rocks. This has got me started. So this recipe, as my dad says, goes perfectly with whiskey or any other poison that you prefer. We are going to make a jackfruit curry, or we can also call it AKA the kathal curry. So ये लिपटा हुआ कटहल है. It's basically jackfruit that's coated with a lot of tomatoes, garlic, and very interesting masala. So let's quickly get to it and obviously do a double peck. So first we need to fry the kathal. I'm going to add a bit of olive oil, 1 tablespoon. So our olive oil is almost hot. So what we have to do is the masala has to be bhunod a lot. You have to keep sauteing it till the onion becomes golden brown. Great, it is hot. So this is 7-8 cloves of garlic and 1 inch of ginger. And we're going to cook around half a kg of kathal. As the oil is hot, you will first add salt. We're going to cook the kathal in salted oil because it will cook quickly and at the same time will absorb some salt itself. The ginger and garlic smell good. This is the time we're going to add roughly chopped onions. We're going to add 1.5 onions. Roughly chopped. So the onions have started to change. It's heading from translucent to a bit of pale yellow to now becoming a bit golden. I'm getting this nice burnt aroma of ginger and garlic. Let's add our kathal. Be a bit careful. So the onions have caramelized. This is how brown or slightly blackish is how I want them to be. Now is the right time to add our tomato puree. This is tomato puree of 4 tomatoes. So now is the time to add spices. Look at this masala. Tomatoes have cooked nicely. Now we add first a pinch of turmeric. 1 teaspoon of chili powder. If you're going to have more pecks of whiskey, 1.5 teaspoons. And 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. 2 big spoons of coriander powder. Salt. Be a bit careful because there is salt in jackfruit as well. So some now and some later. Garam masala we'll add towards the end. We will mix these masalas with our onion tomato masala. We will add water after we've added jackfruit to this, but very less water. I think the jackfruit is done. Wow, beautiful color. So the jackfruit takes almost 15 to 17 minutes to get this beautiful golden brown color. It's crisp and yummy. Let's ensure all the oil goes out, and there it goes. So guys, look at this beauty. It's done. It's set just like me. So all we have to do is take a nice bowl. Wow, beautiful. Piping hot jackfruit. Looks tempting. Maybe we're going to slit 2 green chilies. And a bit of mint. Again, mint does really well with this dish. look at this. Looks pretty, right? And the aromas that are coming out of this, sweet, spicy, lot of ginger, garlic, onions. You know the sweet smell of onions once they have been caramelized. Beautiful. And the cuttle is deep fried. So guys, let's do this. The moment that we've been waiting for. Cheers. Dad, I know you're missing me, but well, today's my day. Beautiful. So guys, you know what you have to do. Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. Post some whiskey selfies and obviously subscribe to my channel. Cuttle and whiskey together.